Hello, welcome again. Today we are going to see how to create a SQL database in Microsoft Azure. So just visit Microsoft Azure. You should have a separate subscription to create a SQL database. I have a subscription. So this is management portal. In this management portal, go to SQL database. Here I don't have any SQL database. Now we are going to create from the scratch. So just click create SQL database. Here we need to provide the database name. I'm going to provide SQL DB12. Then it will show my subscriptions. If you have multiple subscriptions, it will be listed here. You can select which subscription you want to use. Then we have service tiers. So service tier is nothing but pricing range. We have three different category here: basic, standard, and premium. So basic have different performance level. It is giving 5 DTUs, and standard having around 4 to 5 different performance levels. Even premium also have different performance levels. So based on your requirement you can choose any of these service tiers. So the premium is the highest range, so it will charge you more for a monthly basis. So you have to choose correct pricing tiers. uh, for this demo purpose I'm just using basic service tier. Here you can see web and business. So these two service types are absoluted because they have introduced new three levels: basic, standard, premium, instead of web and business service tiers. Here they are giving only one option, 5 DTUs. This is okay for our demo purpose. Then 2 GB, they are providing 2 GB of databases. Fine, this is fine. Then collation. Then I need to choose the SQL server where I need to host my database. I'm going to create a new SQL server. If you have existing one, then still you can choose the existing one. Go to next, and I need to provide my SQL server credentials. So I'm going to create a new credential. Data on my view, and I need to provide password, confirm password. Here I need to select my region where my SQL server should be hosted. So I'm going to choose my nearest region, Southeast Asia. Then here you can see two checkboxes. So one is allow Windows Azure services to access the server. So I can access the server once it is hosted. Then the second option is they are allowing us to update our SQL database. So the latest version is V12. So if I'm uncheck here, then you will get a database version of V2. So still I want to provision my latest features on V12. So here you can see what are the features available here. So just go to general availability price and check what are the price ranges for the latest one. So just click this box and click OK. So now it is creating SQL database. So one thing you need to understand here, we don't have any option to create separate SQL server. So to host a database we need a server, right? So there is no option to create a separate server. You need to choose this option, SQL database, to create a server. On top of that server you can create a database. Let's see here, management current view. The portal not load management data for the current view. This is just a warning, it's fine. So here you can see it's creating. So the creating, and the location is Southeast Asia, and the server name is this one. So the server is created first. On top of the server it is creating the database. Here you can see your server name. This is your SQL server name, and you can see some other details like edition. We selected basic service tier, so it's showing basic edition. Then 2 GB of data. So here they are suggesting whether we need to enable our auditing on that SQL server. If you want, you can enable it, or still you can enable it later. So I'm going to click later. So it will take a couple of minutes to create your database based on your internet connection and availability of region. I mean, if you are selecting a near region, then so the performance and creating a database will be faster. So let us wait to create. Okay, this is how we need to create our SQL database. So here you can see our SQL database SQL DB12 is online. Now it is ready for use. You can utilize this. Thank you. Please provide your feedback, which is important to me, and see you on next video.